Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our latest acquisitions, a real steel 1932 Model B Ford. It's all original sheet metal, including the headlights, cowl lights, restored to the nth degree. Well, good afternoon. We're going to give you little details on one of our newest cars we just got in, a 1932 Ford Model B. It is all steel. It is so hard to find an all-steel Model B Ford these days because you think about it, 1932 was an awful long time ago. This one has all-steel fenders, steel hood, original headlamps, cowl lamps, door handles. It has been restored to a very nice level. It also has some of the other features that these cars had, the Auga type horn, nice chrome bumpers, the wire wheels with the correct hubcaps, the hubcaps being with the Ford script, since this is not the V8 car, but the 4-cylinder car. So anyway, it actually runs and drives. As you will watch in the video later, we actually drove it around our parking lot. So the neat thing about these old cars, this one was done with a correct mohair interior, done just as original from 1932. This is their form of air conditioning, by the way, the open cowl. That's how you get air into it. Or in this case, the front windshield does open and it gets air in that way. That's air conditioning 1932 style. It also has what we call a rumble seat. Now I think that rumble means because you get bounced around a little bit because you're in the back seat of the car. It's also a place where you can put your mother-in-law because you can close that back window and you won't hear a word she has to say. So it was a nice way to get extra people into a car. I mean, you could conceivably have 5 people in a little coupe. Again, it's got the spare tire on the back, dual tail lights, so you got 2 brake lights, which is always nice. You know, the features, like I say, this kind of car is it's an all steel bodied car, all steel. Someone we hope is going to keep it as an original, but hey, whoever owns it can do as they wish. So if you want to see the video, see more details in the car, visit us on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. We're located here in Rogers, Minnesota. You can also visit us on Facebook, visit our YouTube channel or Instagram. We are also there as well. So come and take a look. We've got 95 plus cars always on stock. Everything from street rods, muscle cars, customs, you name it, we've got it. Come and take a visit. Hope to see you soon.